Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into the dirt bike world with a machine that has defined off-road performance for decades. The new 2026 Yamaha YZ250, known for its raw power, lightweight handling, and unbeatable two-stroke thrill. The YZ250 has long been a favorite among motocross riders and trail enthusiasts. The 2026 model continues this legacy with key refinements that make it even more competitive. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this YZ250 is more exciting than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250 arrives with refreshed bodywork that sharpens its already aggressive stance. Updated shrouds, slimmer side panels, and improved airflow contribute to a cleaner, more modern look. Yamaha's latest graphics package adds a bold racing identity, while new color options give riders more ways to stand out on the track. The ergonomic layout has been subtly reshaped for better rider movement during jumps, turns, and rugged terrain. Performance and powertrain. At its core, the YZ250 still packs the iconic 249cc liquid-cooled two-stroke engine known for its explosive power delivery. For 2026, Yamaha has refined the carburation and exhaust system for smoother throttle response and more consistent mid-range pull. The lightweight chassis and aluminum frame remain key strengths, offering exceptional agility. Suspension updates provide improved damping on whoops and hard landings, allowing riders to push harder with confidence. Safety and technology. While staying true to its simple, competition-focused nature, the 2026 YZ250 benefits from a few modern enhancements. The braking system has been upgraded with improved calipers for stronger bite and better fade resistance. Revised handlebar mounts and updated grips enhance control, while the redesigned seat improves comfort during long motos. Although tech remains minimal by design, every update helps the rider stay more connected and in command. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250 continues to be one of the most thrilling machines in the off-road world. With its powerful two-stroke engine, lightweight feel, and meaningful refinements, it remains a top choice for racers and riders who crave pure motocross performance. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more dirt-focused reviews, first looks, and the latest updates from the world of off-road riding.